Hey guys, finally got this iPad mini 5 or the iPad 2019, which is a mini beast having that A12 bionic chip found in the latest iPhones that cost a lot of money, and that beautiful Retina display with True Tone tech. So let's do a quick unboxing and also talk about some interesting things. And guys, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. So this is the gold variant that I've got, and this is my first time getting a gold variant, and this normally costs 35,000, but I got this for about 31k or around $450 on a recent deal along with some cashback offers. I'll drop a link down in the description. So in the box you're getting the iPad and of course some paperwork along with the charger and the lightning cable. Yes, it does still use the lightning cable. This only comes with a 10-watt charger, and I don't really think it supports the 30-watt fast charging. So that's that. Now let's hear that sweet sound. So the design is the same. This reminds me of my old iPad mini first gen. Anyway, so on the back it looks really good. The gold color, I really love it. So let's boot it up and set this up quickly. So let's jump into the settings, and as you can see, this is running the iOS 12, and also the first thing that you should do is to check the warranty details as well. So as you can see here on this Apple website, you can see my iPad details over here. The expiry date is July 22nd, 2020. So I just got this today. That is July 21st, 2019. So yes, everything is good about this. The fingerprint is working pretty fast, and as you can see, but you need to click the home button, and it works really fast, so I am pretty happy with that. But I'm more excited about the gestures on the iPad along with some crazy multitasking options. So as you can see, I'm actually not really familiar right now with these new gestures, but they are butter smooth, as you can see guys, and the multitasking is really good. And the iOS 13 is also right around the corner, which is going to make it a lot better, and that's one of the reasons why I got the iPad mini. The iPads are great for media consumption, and as you can see, this is the YouTube app. As you can see the interface and how beautiful it looks. No matter how big a phone you have, it is not going to replace the iPad even of this size. So let me just show you the size comparison. This is against my MacBook Air, which is about 13 inches. This is against Redmi Note 7, a typical Android phablet, and as you can see, it is again feels like a small device. But when you play videos on YouTube, because of the aspect ratio, you will find these black bars, but the display itself in terms of sharpness, clarity, it is more than decent, and yes, it is that Retina display, so you're not going to find those pixels unless you really look for it. However, on the Prime Video, you can actually expand the videos and watch them in full screen, as you can see. But yes, there could be some portion that could cut off, but still it looks really cool, as you can see. So yes, technically you can play these videos in full screen. Now I'm least bothered about the camera, but I did take a few pictures, and it's not great, but yes, the viewfinder looks really big, which I really like. And the video is also simply limited to 1080p 30 fps, and there's a 7MP front facing camera for video calls as well. So let's look at the PUBG and its graphics settings. So as you can see, only in the smooth settings you have the extreme option. I did try playing a game in HDR Ultra and it worked pretty well. So let me show you some gameplay as well. So this is playing in HDR Ultra settings, and as you can see, it is playing out pretty well. Do let me know guys if you want to see a gaming review, and also tell me which games you want to see. So that's been it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, also subscribe. I'll see you soon.